Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can log in online in N26 Bank step by step. So all you have to do, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for this word or keyword N26 Bank. As you can see here, click on a login option on the top right corner. When you click a login, you will see this page. This is for email address and password. Write your email address here and then write your password. So friends, you have two options, email and password. When you write to option, click login as you can see here. So friends, it is easy steps. You can log in with your app. So friends, just download your app in Play Store as you can see here or App Store. When you download your app, you can log in successfully without any problem. Just write your email and password like this section and then click continue. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video from